Threads are adding a new feature called live chats. It's basically a real-time broadcast channel. A creator goes live with a topic, a few of their mates can post alongside them, and you as a follower can subscribe and watch the whole thing unfold. You can react to messages, but you can't send your own. It's coming in the next few weeks. 4 quick steps to how it works. First, a creator starts a chat. They pick a topic, maybe an event or a big moment. Second, they add a small group of collaborators who can post messages into the chat. Third, followers subscribe and they see every post in real time as it happens. Fourth, you can react to messages with emojis, but you can't reply back with your own text. It keeps it clean. Here's the heart of it. One creator, many listeners. Connor Hayes from Threads described it as the group chat from your messages app that your fans can follow along with. Think of it like being backstage at an event while the host and their team are chatting and you're just there listening. You're part of the moment without being able to butt in. This is where live chats come into their own. Live events like Coachella, festivals, concerts, sports matches with hosts commentating as the game goes on, product launches, Apple keynotes, Google announcements, the big software drops, breaking news where a journalist and a small team can post as the story unfolds. It's built for those big moments where the feed just can't keep up. Now, here's the trade-off. Twitter used hashtags to do the same job. Anyone could post to the tag, and during the day it was great. Thousands of people all in one conversation, but the popular tags got destroyed by scammers looking for free reach. Threads is going the other way, locking it down. You get a cleaner chat, but you lose that messy anyone can join conversation that made Twitter brilliant during big events. So what do you reckon? Would you follow a live chat for a big festival or a match, or does broadcasts only feel too one-sided without the back and forth? Drop your answer in the comments.